because nanamhlanje khona ilaw ebekiwe ukuthi no one is above the law. Noma ungafika enkantolo uhambe uyohlala phambi kwejaji uzobona ijaji li-recite lento engazi ukuthi ingoma uthi no one is above the law. uJesu Kristu ngelinye ilanga kwakumgqibelo uyabonakala ekhulekela umuntu ongaboni. Mase beyambuza amaFarisi ukuthi umkhulekela kanjani umuntu kuyisabatha. Bambalana-ke uJesu Kristu ngenkathi emkhulekela u-applya ama-principles ukuthi umuntu i-perfection yakhe in creation kumele akwazi ukuthi abone. So mangabe ebona umuntu e-blind as umuntu oyi-prime being of umuntu owazi ukuthi umuntu i-perfection yakhe kuphi, it is his duty, it is his birth duty ukuthi lo muntu abone noma ikanjani. This is why uJesu Kristu wayehila abantu. It was his job ukuthi enforce perfection. Yakho uJesu Kristu wayehleze ethi ukholwa kwakho. There is something about perfection. Shothi ukholwa ku-enforce the-Holy Spirit, and the Holy Spirit was there to fulfill us. Shothi uJesu Kristu wayethanda lento of perfection, because perfection is a fulfillment. Yakho wayethi ngelanga lela ekhuleka noma ngabe ilaw ikhona, because umbeki umgomo ukuthi no one is above the law, but useyabonakala yena enza izinto ezimkhombisayo ukuthi above the law. Why? It is because uNkulunkulu will always be above the law, above every politic. And if basic politic, no one is above the law, shukuthi that is into ezoba controversy mangabe usuzoyicompare noNkulunkulu uyena above the law. Shukuthi iyona iyamphika uNkulunkulu basic idea, basic teaching. Shukuthi basically if you stand for politic, you are standing for uNkulunkulu, because finally the first rule ukuthi wena uNkulunkulu ungam-acknowledge as the prime being of every man on this earth.